seconds. Everyone, kung ready na, center na tayo.
It's understandable na nakakapagod, pero hindi nyo pwedeng ipakita. Kasi when you're performing, di ba, hindi naman pwede sa kanila explain that you're tired. You can't tell them na pagod na kami, kaya ako nakasama. So you have to show us na kahit pagod kayo, fight, 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 smile, smile, smile.
Kami high physical demand kasi yung team. Hindi lang siya isang discipline. Diba? Combine siya. You dance, you will lift someone, and then you will do gymnastics.
Before you, proceed, sino yung may background?
Kung nung college.
Dance.
Nung college po, cheer dance. Try ko.
Okay. Cheer dance. Sino pa? Elite?
Not for a whole year po. Siguro for a couple of months before I moved. Parang nag-try out po ako, tapos I got it, and then di na ako natuloy.
Na-toss ka na?
Flyer po.
Flyer.
Flyer ka. Okay.
Try mo na i-fly, tapos hindi na bumaba, sumawak na lang sa top.
Hindi ko pa po natatry yung
Yung may toss, may rotation.
Try natin.
Kaya nyo lang hindi bababa.
Matapos ang maikling kwentuhan, itinuloy na ng coaches ang mas matinding bahagi ng conditioning, ang planking.
So make sure pala sa plank natin na diretso yung buong katawan ninyo. Okay? Hindi siya bababa, ganyan. Hindi rin siya sobrang taas. Yung ulo, iwasan nyo nakaganto or sobrang nakababa para hindi ma-strain yung neck ninyo. Ganito ang agreement natin. Pag may isa sa inyong bumaba na hindi pa time, mag-a-add ako ng 10 seconds. So hindi nyo matatapos yun hanggat may bumababa at bumababa sa inyo. One team kayo, so dapat sabay-sabay kayong mapapagod at sabay-sabay nyo dapat mapagdaanan to. Okay? So, ready? 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, balik dito. Okay? Go down. And go up.
Si Nonong hirap sa ibinigay na hamon.
Okay, elbows sa floor, pero plus 20 seconds tayo kasi bumaba si Nono.
Dapat meron silang heart to do all these things kasi mahirap talaga yung conditioning.
10 seconds, walang bababa. Let's go, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ups, plus seconds ulit. Bumaba si Nono. Let's go.
Physical, mental, tsaka emotional, dapat equipped ka talaga.
7, wala. 6, 5, diretso katawan. 4, 3, 2, and down. Okay. Next.
Kapag hindi sila fighter, hindi sila dedicated, at hindi sila committed, hindi nila ma-achieve yung mga skills na gusto namin na bigay sa kanila, impart sa kanila.
Para sa partner conditioning, pinapili ang housemates ng makakapareha nila.
Edward, sino ang gusto mo iipit?
May.
May? Sure ka na dyan. Okay. Sige. And Edward. May and Edward. Sige, forward pa konti. Elise. Makoy. Okay, sure na yan. Okay.
Sure ka na?
Okay, move. Paano sa side? Stay. Okay. Tanner. Cora. Okay. Cora and Tanner, move na lang kayo doon. Go with...
Kung anong gagawin ni Miko, may isang gagawa nun, and then ako, yung part niya. Okay, so arm side forwards, and then reach, and then stretch.
McCoy at Elise. Para-paraan. Sunod ay tinuro sa housemates ang basic cheer motions.
Hand movements muna tayo. First natin is fist and blade. Clap, clap. Low touchdown. Next, daggers.
Si Jinri tila nalilito na sa mga itinuturo sa kanila.
Again, arms down. Low touchdown. Daggers. Touchdown. Faster and stronger. Arms ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. 1, Sino mag-volunteer? Sino first?
Pangalawa, we'll go back.
Let's go. Ready? One,
I love you.
guys, watch. And go. 1, 2, 3. March pa rin. 3, 4, 5. Diagonal. 6, 7. Do it again. Again.
Go, Ate Jean. Go, Ate Jean.
Go, yun.
Go, Ate Jean na rin.
I just need to let it out for a bit. Just give some time. I just want to be alone for a while.
Kasi when you're doing that in front of the team, na-discourage sila. Wait, let's talk to you. I understand you're frustrated, but you can't just walk out. Say, you go back. You go back. You go back. Okay lang. So you're gonna stay in the
Ano ang pinagdadaanan ni Jinri? Alamin yan sa pagbabalik.